Hi learners, welcome to our another new session. But before we start, I want to inform you about the mistake I have done in our previous lesson. Please consider my mistake. The correct spelling of dollar should be D-O-L-L-A-R, dollar. Now let's begin. So today we are going to learn the name of 10 indoor games with their proper spellings and correct pronunciations. Now here we go. Number 1. Carom. C-A-R-R-O-M. Carom. Number 2. Ludo. L-U-D-O. Ludo. Number 3. Puzzles. P-U-Z-Z-L-E-S. Puzzles. Number 4. Chess. C-H-E-S-S. Chess. Number 5. Cards. C-A-R-D-S. Cards. Number 6. Table tennis. T-A-B-L-E. Table. T-E-N-N-I-S. Tennis. Table tennis. Number 7. Video games. V-I-D-E-O. Video. G-A-M-E-S. Games. Video games. Number 8. Building blocks. B-U-I-L-D-I-N-G. Building. B-L-O-C-K-S. Blocks. Building blocks. Number 9. Snakes and ladders. S-N-A-K-E-S. Snakes. A-N-D and L-A-D-D-E-R-S. Ladders. Snakes and ladders. Number 10. Spinning top. S-P-I-N-N-I-N-G. Spinning. T-O-P. Top. Spinning top. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned to learn more. If you are finding my videos helpful, share them with others. To subscribe my channel.